Hello dear, welcome to my YouTube channel CAD with Zaid. I hope you are doing well. In this video, we learn about the setting of the unit and you click on the new button. When you click it, our new drawing is open here. There is a two method of setting of units. One of them is that you click on this down arrow. You see here there is many commands are shown here, and but you click on the show menu bar. When you click it, this menu bar is added here, and simply you click on the format. When you click on it, there is many commands are shown here, but you setting your units, click on units button. You see here drawing units are open. Types of unit, that is architecture, decimal, engineering, fictional, scientific. If you work on the civil work, you click on architecture. Otherwise, decimal is default, and from bottom that is precision. What you want to set your precision, 0, 0.0 or 0.00. It is like called, if you draw a line about 1.1 meter, if you set 0.0, it show 1.1 meter. Otherwise, if you set precision only 0, it the 1.1 meter lines are show only 1 meter and not show in points. The other one is inches. If you set it different like feet, inches, miles, millimeters. Mostly mechanical work are done in millimeters, and you set it millimeter and then click OK. The second method of set the unit is you write UN in command bar. When you write UN, you see here in first units, click on the unit and also show this table, and you set your units and click OK.